friends. I'm Chef Bianca, and I'm going to teach you how to fall in love with food. And today we're going to be learning all about apples. I love apples. And apple starts with the letter A. And the way we say the letter A in apple is ah. And the way we spell apple is A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Let's do that one more time because you're so good at it. A-P-P-L-E. So good. You're good at that. And apples are a fruit. And apples grow on trees. And so the farmers pick the apples and they give them to mummies and daddies. And then they give them to us. Yum. And apples are a sweet and tangy fruit, but they're always delicious. And the apples that the farmers pick are either green and red, and sometimes they're even pink. And when we eat our yummy apples, they go crunch, crunch, crunch in our mouth. Let's do that one more time. What sound do they make? Crunch, crunch, crunch. I like it. Do you? Apples are yummy and sweet and pretty, but they're also good for us. In our bellies, we have little friendly gut buggies. They are called gut bacteria, but don't be scared of them. They're our friends, and they like to eat the fiber in apples. And when you're hungry, you like to eat, right? So you have to make sure that you give all of your friendly belly bugs something to eat too. And apples are so great. And when we eat apples, our belly bugs are happy and they want to sing a song. Do you want to sing a song with me? Are you ready? Let's sing. The apples on the tree are green and red, green and red, green and red. The apples on the tree are green and red when we pick them down. The apples in our mouth go crunch, 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 crunch. The apples in our mouth go crunch, crunch, crunch when we chew them down. The buggies in our tongue go yum, 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 yum. The buggies in our tongue go yum, yum, yum when we eat our apples, when we eat our apples. That was fun. That was fun. You're a good singer. I can't wait to sing more songs with you. Are you in love with apples now? I know that I am. Are you going to ask Mommy and Daddy to get you apples for snack? I know that I am. Well, I can't wait to spend more time with you, friends. See you next time. Bye.